guys, Tamara from Pristis here. Just wanted to show you a brand new item that came into our store. So you've seen all our beautiful bags. We did get some new prints. These are all the Itzy Ritzy bags. But I'm here to show you these new products. So we have the accessory clips, the little rounders. They're so cute. They're only $14.99. For matching the bags, I have Leopard, I have Kelly, and if you're lucky enough to have one of the coffee and cream bags that I showed I want to say a week or so ago, that bag is sold out everywhere. I do have the accessory clip for it though. We do have two. Unzip, I personally put my keys in them. Somebody was saying you could put hand sanitizer, like the little mini ones. Also, if you want your pacifier to be like in reach, so you're not, scrumming through your giant diaper bag to try and find a pacifier while your baby's crying, this would make it nice and accessible for you. Beautiful product. Very, very hot, trending accessory for this year. They're $14.99. You can grab them in store and online at pristis.com. Have a good day, guys.